So let's find out, can you get good accessories for a Tesla Model 3 on AliExpress, or is it just going to waste the money and we're going to get loads of random junk that I'm just not going to use? So on AliExpress there's a bunch of accessories for any car really, and especially for the Teslas. Pretty much any Tesla, there's loads of accessories, some which are just kind of copies of other ones, some which maybe look a bit more useful. I've ordered a few. I didn't go too crazy because I didn't know what the quality was going to be like, and I didn't want to waste money on a bunch of crap which I'm not going to put anywhere. Yeah, so got this. Right, well, let me just quickly tell the backstory of this. It's not for the car. It actually holds your toothbrushes. Yeah, holds your toothbrushes. It's got a little face on it which let's stick on. Don't know why. And then you get that. Woo. So I got this because when you go on there for the first time, you kind of get this like choice of like a little promotion. You think it's really cool, and you basically get to pick 3 items or a couple of items. They got 2 actually, and they were 3 items. I was like, yeah, all right, fine, whatever, why not? Got this little guy, and I got some little measuring things which I thought looked pretty good. Just plastic or ruler basically with a little thing on, you know, measure things in the car and other things. Yeah, anyway, got that. Not really sure what I'm going to use it for, but I guess it was free. Yeah, but it wasn't free. Oh, I'm still holding this guy. Go over there. It wasn't free. I had to buy something. So what did I buy? I was like, well, I was going with something useful on this list, and I found something I thought was useful. 5-pack. Oh, it says 5 pieces. So I guess that means 5 microfiber cloths for a car. Do you know what? I'll take it for £1. What arrived? This. Now, you might be thinking, what's wrong with that? It's microfiber cloth. There's only one of them. It's 5, apparently. And yeah, it's not the best feeling microfiber cloth, but whatever. Now, I don't know if they meant 5 as in you literally get 5, or this does 5 things, or 1 side, 2 side, little edge, 3, 4, and you know, 5 because you can throw it away. I don't know what the 5 uses for. Maybe it's because you use it on 5 different things, or you can use it 5 times and then it breaks. I don't know, but we'll find out. But got that so I could get the other 2 things for free because, you know, really needed this and the little measuring guy. But yeah, it's already scratched as well. I haven't really used it yet, so it's kind of sad. But there you go. That's what we got. But what do we get actually for the car now? When you kind of look at accessories for the car, especially the Tesla, this is a Model 3, it's a 2020, early 21 Model 3. One of the common accessories I see is a headrest. Now, these cushions, I don't know, I'm about to make like that, not getting knocked out. Well, these cushions aren't too bad, actually. The seats are really comfy, the position's comfy and super adjustable, but I guess there is a bit of a gap the way your neck sits here, kind of a little gap here, so I've got some neck rests. Now, these were the expensive item, so I'll have them first, you know. You ain't got to watch the whole thing. You might just want to care about these. So these were headrests, and let's see what they come with too, and let's see what they look like. Here's a headrest. So it does come here with a little Tesla logo that totally won't peel away in like 2 seconds. And you get, you know what? It's a decent feeling headrest. It's nice and full. It's not like loose. You know, it's nothing like that. It's got a little thing on the back to attach it. I mean, it's just going now. It's got a little zip. Look, and get inside here and. That's someone's granddad's pubes bursting out my Tesla. Ooh, it's not good. Ooh, I don't know what they feel like. Get back in there. Oh my god, it's peeping out the seams now. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh Jesus. What was that between us thing? It was like, oh fucking cockwig. That's what that feels like. Oh my god. I mean, the other one looked nice until that happened. I guess you can see it. Oh god, all the pubes are going everywhere. Oh, there's pubes. There's pubes. Here these are. I'll run through the things and then I'll chuck them on and see how comfy that is for my head. Okay, that's a little example. Fucking hell. Look up a plane, you know? I feel like one of those people rock up on the plane, they've got the whole setup on. It's dangerous, this. I'm like, we're gone. See what? It's comfy. But we'll see when it's actually on, how that actually works. The next thing I ordered is actually a bit of a shame because only arrived with one. And maybe it's my fault, maybe I didn't read it, but I mean, I expected it not to have just one, you know. But that was a seatbelt pad thing. Now, I don't really mind having the stock seatbelt. I think it's pretty much fine. I don't think it really gets in the way. But my partner found it actually a bit uncomfortable, and it was kind of digging into her neck. So, got this. Now, it looks kind of like a extremely long Greggs sausage roll. You know, I'll try now and edit a giant sausage roll on there if I can. Mental, I don't know, I look mental. Sat in my car with a bloody cover on it. I don't even see that window. I can look mental. Anyway, try that on. Don't know what's left behind, but yeah, seatbelt rest with a little. Next item is one actually I won't be doing now because it looks like it's like one of the longest things in the universe. But the steering wheel on the car, I would show you, but it's a bit of a faff. It's prone to peeling away, and this one has a little bit of peeling at the top. It's kind of hidden by these little covers that are on there currently. I'll show you. Come on, I'll show you. Come on. So here we go. Here's the steering wheel. I don't know why my legs are like that. You know, I don't normally sit like that, but you know, the steering wheel's here. All right, as you all know what steering wheel looks like. But the top part here, peeled off. It's a bit peeled underneath this little cover. I didn't know that actually when I got the car. Only when I took this off that I realised it's peeling underneath. Bottom's fine. It's just the top. Not the end of the world though, because we have got something right here to help that. It's basically another steering wheel thing. So let's take a little look at that and see what that does. Alright, so this thing here is a steering wheel cover. Now, it's a hand-sewn one, so you've got to do it yourself. And that's why I've asked my partner to do it, so she's going to give it a go. It looks like it would take about 4 weeks if I tried. There you go, get a little cover like this. To be honest with you, the material feels really good. Actually does feel nice. So I have high hopes for this when it's actually on. I don't know where it goes or what these little ears are for, but I'm sure they have a purpose. Somewhere, maybe they're for the edges, I don't really know. Must be for the gap around the steering wheel, I'm guessing. But yeah, decent material to be honest with you. Just looks like a ball ache to fit, so I'm not going to do that. But you do get some things in here to fit it. We've got little what are they called? Little pry tool looking little plastic thing that will let you pop things out or push it into the gaps. And you've got some thread there and some tape as well, so you can keep it in place while you're sewing along. But I think that's going to be nice when it's on. Get it back in right now. This way, Nick, never get things back in and easy to get out. But anyway, right. I think that's pretty much it. That's one little other thing actually inside. What was generally the most packaged item I've ever witnessed. It was literally in this contraption inside another box with bubble wrap in between, and the outside it was bubble wrapped and taped, literally like it was a weapon. What is it? It is a weapon. No, I'm joking. It's not a weapon. It's a cover for the door handles. You drink it all. So you don't get more fingery. Something else then. That sounded well weird, you know. Fingering the car and all. But yeah, you know what I mean. This is going to go on the car door handles and hopefully prevent fingerprints and other bits from showing whilst kind of keeping the original look. There's quite a lot of these are carbon fibre that I've seen around on Amazon and stuff like that. I just don't really want thick carbon fibre on the outside, so there you go. I will try to put these on actually and try and film myself doing it. So that's it really. That's pretty much most of the stuff for now. There's one other thing. I just realised there's one other thing. This I can put in right away, which is exciting. So let me go over it. When you have a Tesla Model 3, you'll have your wireless charging port here. Happy days, it works fine. But because of the suede material, or is it Alcantara? I don't know. But whatever that material is made of, it does kind of wear over time. And that is a bit annoying. And it doesn't look as nice as it could. So what do you get instead? You get one of these. Yeah. That's right. This apparently is for this. Hopefully it fits. And it's designed to just, you know, cover over it. Make it look fresher. I'm trying to get one under here. Oh, it's dropped into place. Smooth as that. Smooth as. That was easy. Did it one-handed. That looks way... Do you know what? That looks way nicer. In my opinion. It looks really nice. That does really... Just blacks it out a little bit rather than having the... This sort of tire. I do like the tear down car, don't get me wrong. But I feel like that is easier to clean if there's any crumbs. And also it's just hidden the worn down material. I actually think that's decent though. Decent. It goes with the obviously good covers I had already in the car. Someone's already put them in. Yeah, kind of just that's a bit of silicone in there. Not too bad. What do you think, mate? You can go in there? Yeah. Looks alright actually, I don't know. Quite cute. But yeah, there we go. Let's try out these headrests first. They look easiest to install. See how that goes. Just see what they feel like on my neck. Let's find out. Alright. Trying to film this whilst doing it. Hold on. Like that, but let's go. Right. Back again. Oh god, this is the worst angle to do this. Probably a bit anti-climatic there. Just stuck headrests on, you know. But do you know what? That is. Get back here. It feels like I'm getting the bloody. Ugh. Let's have a look. Oh, do you know what? It's pretty comfy. My neighbour's back. It's not good. I look mental when I'm even more mental than I am talking to myself. You close the door and embrace the. You didn't have that hidden. Door's still not shut. It's alright. Put the other one on while I wait, shall I? So, you know, get the headrest on. Bit weird looking, but they should work. Then it's whether or not to embrace the Tesla thing here. Let's put the seatbelt on. We'll find out if that's something I want or not on my neck. La la. You look at the. Oh, I've got it on backwards. I have. Let's turn it. Oh yes. Oh yes. I've twisted it still somehow. What's gone on here? How could I do a seatbelt cover wrong? Oh my, what's happening? What is generally occurring right now? Oh. It's done. There we go. Well, there we are. Tesla seatbelt cover thing. Does it do anything really? Quite annoying actually. It's just heavy. Rubbing. It feels more restricting than before. Okay, massive as well. It just pokes into the top. I'm going it to. I want it to be down here. Like a man bag. Surely it should be up here on my neck. And that generally makes it not shut. Or it's like bunch up. Kind of got to do that every time, which then means it would just sit like here. Just put your seatbelt away. Bit annoying. Don't know, might be alright. Let's go try and do the door handles, and then that's kind of it really for now, until we do the steering wheel another day. Let's go find out. So it's been a few days later actually, and I realised I forgot to do an outro. But it has meant it's given me some time to actually think about the products that I've used so far and how they've gone really. So neck cushions, do I think they've actually been an improvement? I do actually. I think they've worked quite well. I actually think they're really comfy. At first I was a bit unsure. I was wondering if maybe they were kind of just put me in a weird position, but actually I think they're pretty good. The other thing, the seatbelt thing, to be honest with you, I don't really use it. It was annoying me, it's getting in the way of the door. It's a bit of a pain. So it's over there right now as the passenger one. So I probably won't recommend them. Personal preference, but it's a bit long and it does make it awkward to shut the door. The silicone tray thing works pretty well. Not really had any issues with it. Still in use. It's there. It's really solid. Doesn't move around. Does look a lot nicer. Actually fits the phone really nice as well because he added extra little lip here, which isn't really there on the other one. It's there slightly, but it's more pronounced here. It actually makes it way nicer to use. I haven't done the steering wheel cover yet. I will do. It's just, it looks quite time consuming, so it's still currently living in there, but we'll do it at some point. But for now we haven't. But pretty much everything else is pretty good. Yeah, been decent. Door things are on and they look fine. So overall, happy with the stuff I got from AliExpress. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Most of the stuff, to be honest with you, pretty much all of it, except from the gimmicky things and the seatbelt cover. I mean, even that's decent quality. It's just it's a bit too long, and maybe it's not what I actually want. Headrests are good, so I think generally the quality is actually pretty good. Delivery time was fine. So honestly, if you guys are looking out for accessories for your car, if you have a Tesla or anything, any other car really, there's loads of accessories for them. I do actually think it's good value for money. I think it's a good way to get accessories, and I think, do you know what? I recommend it. Why not? You know, why not? Will I get more on there again? Sure. If there's something else I need, why not? Why not? But yeah, that's that, guys. Yeah, if you guys do happen to get anything, chuck it down below if you've ordered from AliExpress before or your experiences, for everyone else to see. But I think, to be honest with you, pretty good. And thanks guys for watching. I will do more videos if you like this one about the car, about Tesla, and just in general, because I do think there's a lot of information out there. There's a lot of information about the newer cars, a lot of information about long range and all those kind of cars. Not too much on the standard range which I've got here. So if there's anything you want to know in particular, I'll order some more videos. Have got a trip coming up actually soon. We're going to Cornwall. That's going to be an interesting drive. So I'll probably film some of that as well. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching and catch you next time.